Welcome to my Mutibo app demo. When you start the game, the first screen you see is the login screen. You have to enter a valid username and password and click login to proceed. Once you've logged in successfully, you can see your scores and start a new game by clicking the button. Once the game starts, you will be presented with a set which consists of 4 movie titles. You must select a movie title that does not belong with the other 3. Once you've completed a set, you can rate the set by using a gesture. You have to rate a set in order to move on to the next set. So let's play some more sets and complete a game. The game has ended because I got 3 questions wrong. Games end either when the player has gotten 3 questions wrong or when the player has completed a total of 6 questions. You can start a new game by pushing the Start New Game button again. This will start a new game and bring up a new question. In order to demonstrate the web service, I'm going to start up a fresh instance of the web service running in Eclipse. I will also be opening a session of the Postman client for Chrome and recording a game of Mutibo in the Genymotion emulator to demonstrate the updating of the information stored in the web service. Postman is a Chrome extension that can send and receive requests to a RESTful web service using OAuth 2 authentication, which is what I'm using. I will be using Postman to request user and set information from the web service to verify that updates are being sent to the service. So I've opened the Mutibo app along with Postman. And once I enter my username and password and click login, I get to the screen where I can see my stats and start a new game. So in Postman, I send a request for the user info, and I see that this, just like in the app, this user has not completed any games and has a score of 0. So now that I've started a new game, I have a new set, and I need to select a title that doesn't match. I can also, so in Postman, I'm going to request this set from the server, and as you can see, it has a rating of 0 and has never been answered before. So I'm going to select an answer, and I got it right. And once I put in a rating for this set, the server gets updated. So if I request it again, you can see that the number correct has been incremented to 1, and the rating has also been incremented. So now I'm going to do the same thing with a new set. I'm going to select an answer, and I'm going to take a look at the set in Postman. So I request this set from the server, and now that I've rated it, I can request the set again, and you can see that my rating has been put in, and the number of times this question has been answered incorrectly has been updated to 1 because I got the answer wrong. Now let's take a look at my user stats. You can see that my score has now been changed to 1, And the number of sets that I've answered correctly and incorrectly and in total have also been updated. So let's skip ahead a few sets until we get to the end of the game. So I've played through a bunch of more sets. The game has ended, and you can see that I got 5 bonus points because I completed the game without getting 3 or more questions incorrect. So in Postman, I've brought up the user info again, and you can see that the total score has been updated to account for this game. So this user now has 9 points. The total number of games played has also been updated to 1 because this user just completed a single game. That's all for my Mutibo screencast. Thank you for your time and good luck on your projects.